In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a workshop. Let's navigate to Workplaces and click on Workshops. Click on Create. Let me fill out the information. We can also select the address directly from the map. If work tracking is turned on and a radius is set for the location, employees will get a warning if they clock in outside that area. We have some additional options after creating a workshop. Clicking on the icon location will bring up the workshop's exact address that was entered. The green circle is the work tracking radius we entered. Project work is a section we will cover in a separate tutorial. In short, here we will create tasks specifically for this workshop. Edit will allow us to change the basic information. Archive will delete the workshop, but we have the ability to reactivate it. Click on the Activate button to enable the workshop again. Project leaders will be visible only when a leader is assigned to the workplace. Click on Workers and then Assignments. Filter out workshops. Drag and drop the workshop to the correct project leader. Let's return to Workplaces and click on Workshops. Now we can see the project leader on the workshop. Thank you for tuning in. Let us know if you have any additional questions or suggestions.